Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Botim Launch, Send Now, Pay It Later, a game changer for digital payments. Imagine needing to split a bill, send cash to a friend or pay a vendor ASAP, but your wallet's feeling a little light. With Botim's Send Now, Pay It Later, you can send money instantly and pay for it later. No more delays when it matters most. Here's how it works. Number 1, open Botim. Select your contact and choose Send Now, Pay It Later. Number 2, enter the amount and send it immediately. Even if you don't have the funds upfront, settle the payment later at your convenience. It's that simple. Why you will love this? 1, flexibility. Send money now, pay when it works for you. Number 2, zero stress. Emergency, urgent payment covered. Number 3, split bills easily. Dinner with friends, send your share instantly and pay back later. Secure and trusted. Botim's encryption keeps every transaction safe, whether it's helping family, splitting costs, or managing cash flow for your small businesses. Botim's got your back. Ready to try it? Update your Botim app now and look for the Send Now, Pay It Later option. Don't forget to tag a friend below who needs this feature. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.